Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. Today is Monday and I was expecting to see iOS 17.4.1, but it is not out yet. My hopes were very high that we will be seeing this update this Monday, but this update is not out yet. So I am thinking maybe Apple is going to release this update on Tuesday. So fingers crossed again. And according to the Mac rumor and now 9 to 5 Mac, Apple is for sure going to bring iOS 17.4.1 this week, and the main reason is the bugs that are available on the iOS 17.4, and these bugs are related to battery draining. Now many people are complaining the battery draining issues. I'm getting lot of comments from your side about battery draining. Honestly, battery draining depends upon many different factors. It could be the way you are charging your phone is not good. It could be that you are not using original official chargers or data cables. These factors can vary from iPhone to iPhone, from person to person, and honestly, anyone cannot cover all those factors in a single video. But I want to tell you few things that can help to improve the battery life, that can help to improve the battery draining. Also, there's a very important thing to understand that the battery life problem cannot just wipe out. We can bring improvements, but we cannot completely wipe out the battery draining issues. This is very important thing for you to understand. Now, what things you can do to improve the battery life is try to keep your phone between 20 to 80%. Never charge it over 80%. Sometimes it is good, you can charge over 80%, it is fine sometimes. But the most important and crucial thing is never let your device go beyond 20%. Like if it goes beyond 20%, it affects your battery health. So try to avoid that. On this iPhone, I'm using it for like couple of months now, and I always try to charge it when it is around 30%, 25%. Sometimes like in a one time or a two time in a month or 2 months, it goes down than 20%. Other than that, I never let it get down go below 20%. I always try to keep it above 30% and charge it. Also, whenever it is around 90%, I always unplug charger. I never go for the 100%. Sometimes occasionally, if I'm going out of city, yeah, that are the things when I'm going to charge it 100%. But if I am at home or at work, I always try to keep it under 90 or around 90%, and I am having a really good battery life. I'm also going to share battery stats with you in this video. Also, there are some settings that you can do to get a better battery life. I talk about those settings in my lot of videos, so I'm gonna share a couple of them. For example, going into settings, then going to the privacy and security over here, you can customize the location services according to your choice. It is not while using for every application. As you can see, it is never on Chrome, never on Compass, never on Calendar, never on Apple Store. So I have customized it according to my need, so it never takes a lot of battery. Also, going into system services, as you can see, I also have customized these according to my need. That for example, I don't need HomeKit to use my location, so it is turned off. Also, I need Find My Phone to use my location, so it is turned on. So I have customized the location according to my need, and you can do also this, and this can also help to save a lot of battery, because these services are running behind and in the background, and they obviously take some battery, so you can save some battery from this. Also, going all the way on the top in the privacy and security, in the tracking, I have turned off all the tracking for all the applications. This is can be really helpful for you too. So these are the some of the things you can do with your iOS device and improve the battery life. There are many other things you can also do. If you want a detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. But honestly, I am waiting for the iOS 17.4.1 because there are battery issues, and I'm hoping that iOS 17.4.1 will fix, hopefully, fingers crossed, all these issues, And yeah, talking about again when I'm going to see it, my expectations are on Tuesday that we are going to see iOS 17.4.1. Well, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.